Here he started a new life and with his family. यहाँ पर उसने अपने परिवार के साथ नई जिंदगी शुरू की. His only dream was to send his children to school. उसका केवल एक सपना रह गया था अपने बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना, to give them a better future, ताकि उन्हें एक अच्छा भविष्य मिल सके, एक अच्छा better life मिल सके. Here too, things were not easy. यहाँ भी जिंदगी आसान नहीं थी. But he hoped that things would get better. पर उसे आशा थी कि चीजें अच्छी बेहतर होंगी. जतरे started saving money to repair his one-room shack. जतरे ने पैसे बचाना शुरू कर दिया. His relatives would tell him. उसके जो रिश्तेदार थे उसे बताने लगे, don't waste money on this. कि इन पर मनी वेस्ट मत करो. Who knows, we may have to move from here to, कि कौन जानता है कि हमें यहाँ से भी हटना पड़े. In Mumbai there is no place to stay for outsider like us. वो क्या बोले कि मुंबई में कोई भी ऐसा स्थान नहीं है जो कि हम आउटसाइडर के लिए बना हो, यानी कि मुंबई में बाहर वालों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं. जतरिया was scared and worried. जतरिया डर गया और चिंता करने लगा. He thought, we left खेड़ी for सिंदूरी. हमने खेड़ी को सिंदूरी के लिए छोड़ दिया. We then left सिंदूरी for मुंबई. अब सिंदूरी को मुंबई के लिए छोड़ दिया. If we have to move from here to, अगर हमें यहाँ से भी जाना पड़े, then where can we go? तो हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं? In this big cities, बड़े शहर में. Is there not even a small place for my family to stay? क्या यहाँ मेरी फैमिली के रहने के लिए एक छोटा सा स्थान भी नहीं है? Think, what had Jatria Bhai thought while moving to Mumbai? Did he find Mumbai as he had imagined? The problems of Sindori village made Jatria think that if he was an unwanted guest in the village, he wanted to leave Sinduri. As he could not go back to Khedi, so he thought of moving to Mumbai. He did not find Mumbai as he had imagined. It was difficult to live in Mumbai. Second question, what kind of school do you think Jataria's children would be going to in Mumbai? Jataria's children would be studying in government school in Mumbai. Find out and write. Do you know of any family that has come to your town after having moved out of their place? Talk to them and find out. Yes, the maid servant who comes to our house has come from a small village in Bengal. From where have they come? Why did they have to come here? She has come from a small village in Bengal. She came to Delhi as there was severe flood in her village. What kind of place did they live in there? How do they find this new place compared to the old one? They are living in a nearby slum. Houses are made of tin sheets and roofs are made of plastic sheets. There is a big drain near the slums, which makes the area unhygienic. Fourth, is their language and way of living any different from that of people here? In what ways? Her native language is Bengali and she is uncomfortable with Hindi. She can just manage to communicate with others in her broken Hindi. Learn some words from their language and write them in your notebook. Some words which people from Bengal use in their language are as follows. Army, English में one. तुम्ही इंग्लिश में यू, चेले इंग्लिश में किड, माच इंग्लिश में फिश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू दे नो हाउ टू मेक सम थिंग्स दैट यू कांट मेक बट some of the dishes made in their home are new to me. For example, they bhapalis, a child makes beautiful toys from dry palm leaves. Have you ever read and heard of a city slum being removed? How do you feel about this? Yes, recently there was news of a slum being removed from an area near Yamuna. I felt very bad when I read the news. People who are very poor live in slums. For them, finding a shelter is very difficult. The government should do some arrangements before raising the slum. People also shift from one place to another when they get transferred in their jobs. How do they feel them? Transfers are an integral part of many jobs. It is always difficult to leave a place and start life afresh in a new place. One has to do lot of packing and unpacking during transfers. One needs to leave close friends from a place and needs to make friends with new people. A child has to move to a new school in a new environment. This is difficult, but I think it is challenging also. Next debate. Some people say that the city people don't create garbage. Cities are dirty because of the slums. How do you feel about this? Discuss and debate between yourself. It is totally incorrect to put all the blame on slums dwellers. City people also produce lot of garbage. Many people in middle class colonies throw garbage on the roads. In order to keep their homes clean, they throw all the waste on the roads. Slums also develop because of city people. Government constructs new dams, roads, factories, etc. to cater to the needs of city people. As a result, displaced people from villages are forced to leave their place and move to cities. These poor people can't afford good houses and hence they develop slums. What we have learned. Like Jataria's family, thousands of families come to stay in big cities for many different reasons. Do you think their life may be better in a big city from what it was before? Imagine how they feel in a big city. Many people migrate to big cities for different reasons. Life in a big city is difficult and different than it was before. It is true that a big city offers many opportunities, but there are many more challenges. One has to compromise with limited space in big cities. Poor people are forced to live in unhygienic conditions. They may be earning more than what they earned in villages, but they are unable to save money because of the higher cost of living in big cities. So students, the chapter is over. लेंथी चैप्टर था पर अच्छा था। तो हम फिर मिलेंगे। बाय बाय।